Hi, my name is Ana Carmen. I would like to tell you how everything started. It all started because of the ambition to try something new, something different, something that I didn't expect what exactly it would be, and let alone it would change part of myself after this experience. I was a restless and eager teenager to explore the great beyond. In the summer 2002, I convinced to my best friend Rebecca to sign up to a bicycle activity organized by Youth Center Almanza. We had no idea about what we would be doing. Something related to tourism by bike, cooking in camping gas, sleeping in bivouac, and of course, with all the house to a slope. Most important is how a new activity is introduced. This time, Cesar and Nico were a key factor. They were able to make us enjoy that much, discovering millions of feelings throughout the whole experience that I could be never been able to stop it. Since then, a new sense woke up in myself. Something made a click. Perhaps a new philosophy of life, live life leaving behind unnecessary worries, explore leaving behind the fear, make the most of the time, and certainly facing special situations. After organizing bike rides around Spain in order to make known tourism on the bike and pass it on to more people, I decided to start doing bike rides around Europe, cycling through several countries like Germany, Italy, Hungary, Croatia, Slovenia, France, England, Slovakia, Austria, facing the Alps in several occasions, and of course I have tried in different setups, alone, with company, meeting people on the way, by tandem, with dog. All these experiences can be felt as unique, full of indescribable emotions that make you grow as a person, and leaving you wanting more and more. Everyone has a dream in this life, but most of the time it is eclipsed by excuses that arise from the fear of leaving the comfort zone. My dream is riding my bike simply and discover what is out there waiting for me, with no particular destination in mind and for how long either. Challenge yourself every day. Have the uncertainty of not knowing what or who you are going to find along the way, not knowing where you are gonna sleep. Merge with nature and feel alive every day. Discover and keep dreaming. I would like to make an awareness campaign during the first 37 weeks of the bike ride and make it know the mi paresis. In addition to raise funds, the name of the campaign will be 37 Smiles, and you can find more information in our website. I have almost forgotten that I'm not going on my own. I am taking my loyal friend Dexter, Australian Kelpie, ready to take on the world. He's a rehome dog with peculiar personality. Those who know him know what I am talking about. He loves being outdoors and on his own way. He's the first one who leaves the house when we go cycling, but what is his weakness is playing with balls. Now it is time to get ready for the spring 2020!